Namaste. In this video, we are going to evaluate this integration cos square root x divided by square root x dx. So I is equal to integration cos square root x divided by square root x dx. Here we will use to solve substitution property. So this one is square root x is t. Okay, let here square root x is equal to t. Now differentiate both sides. So this is x to the power 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 x, 1 upon 2 minus 1. So minus 1 upon 2 power dx is equal to dt. So this one we can write in positive power. So this goes in denominator, or we can write 1 upon 2 square root x dx is equal to dt. Okay, this one we can write in radical form because here given radical. So here given actually 1 upon square root x dx. So this one left here, but 2 transfer other side. 2 is divide here, other side multiply. So 2 dt. These values we can substitute uh, in this equation. So integration cos square root x is t. Okay. And 1 upon square root x dx is 2 dt. So 2 dt. Okay. 2 comes here outside, integration cos t dt, and now we can easily integrate. So whenever we integrate cos means t, so we will get sin t. So 2 sin t plus c, any arbitrary constant, 2 sine, and what is t value? T value is this one, is square root x. We can substitute here square root x plus c, and this is our final answer. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt in any step, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.